It's ephemeral, yet tangible. Essential, but ordinary. It's water. And not just any water. Fresh water. Rain water. Water covers the earth. From high-altitude cloud droplets to great underground aquifers to endless places in between, the water cycle keeps it all in motion. Earth vibrates with life because of water. From up here, you can see everything too. And everything is just about what you need to know when you're studying precipitation. Here's how to do it. A fleet of international spacecraft, headlined by a core US-Japanese satellite, will produce the most precise global rain and snow data ever. Called Global Precipitation Measurement, or GPM, the mission promises to transform how we even think about rainfall and freshwater management. And measuring total rainfall is just the beginning. Insight comes from careful distillation of data, helping experts turn streams of observations into rivers of useful science. Although we've studied the water cycle before, surface radar and rain gauges don't provide enough measurements. Even with all of the red dots on this map, vast stretches of land are empty. And the oceans, the largest portion of Earth's surface, have no rain gauges at all. Satellites flying above see everything.